Hi students, the third sum. In Young's double slit experiment, I have written the shortcut, okay. In Young's double slit experiment, if capital D is equal to 2 meter, small d is equal to 6 millimeter, and the wavelength of light lambda is equal to 6000 angstrom unit, then the position of the third maxima has to be determined. Such questions are very important for NEET as well as the JEE entrance exams. Okay, what are all the terms in Young's double slit experiment? You must keep it in your mind. Capital D means what? It is a distance of the screen from the coherent sources. Small d means what? It is the distance of separation between the two coherent sources. Slit, okay. So slit separation we can say. That is the wavelength of light. Okay, on the screen, the position of nth maxima. Position of the nth maxima is given by. So yn, we can also write xn, okay, as we like, but since it is along the y-axis, I have taken it as yn means n, the distance of the nth maxima. So this is equal to n into lambda d by d, okay, where n is equal to here 3. I am taking n is equal to 3. So here n is equal to 3 and lambda is equal to 6000 angstrom unit. So this is 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter, because angstrom unit is 10 power minus 10. Here 10 power plus 3 is there. So 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter. And capital D is equal to 2 meter. And small d is equal to 6 millimeter. So this is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Now we have to substitute, okay. Therefore y3, okay, n is equal to 3, isn't it? So the third maxima is denoted by y3. So this is equal to 3 into lambda is how much? 6 into 10 power minus 7 into capital D is equal to 2 meter. So 2 divided by small d, that is 6 into 10 power minus 3. So 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So here this 6 and 6 can be cancelled. Once again 3 2s are 6. So this is equal to 6 into 10 power. Here minus 7 is there. Into 10 power minus 3 comes up as 10 power 3. So this is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, so this is 6 into 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 3. So this is equal to 0.6 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Therefore, the distance of the third maxima is 0.6 millimeter. So this is the correct answer. So let us check the options. First option itself is the correct answer, 0.6 millimeter. Okay. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Okay, students, have you all understood? I hope you must have understood well. Fine.